Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be mounting a tank mounting bag. So this fits straight to your fuel cap using the existing bolts of the fuel cap itself. So first let's see how much this thing weighs and what comes in the box. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so all I want to show you, for my liking this angle is a bit too steep. I reckon if you unzip the bag, all your belongings will fall out, as the shallow side is on this end and the deep side is on that end. So what I will be doing is remove the screws. I will remove these bolts and turn the bag around. So when you do unzip the bag, the deep pockets on the right end, so all your belongings will stay inside the bag. Alright, just thought I would share that with you guys. Hi guys, I just want to thank you for watching. I've got some more stuff lined up in the next video, so please stay tuned, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.